Welcome guys, let us look how we can mark and identify passive voice in Word. Yes, currently you see some text over here. I have disabled the passive voice recognizer. So let's turn it on. Let's see how. First step, jump to your menu and select review. Under review, click on the language drop down. Select the second option saying language preferences. Then in the side menu bar, select an option called proofing. And now under when correcting spelling and grammar in Word, select under this section, select settings, pull down the scroll bar till the end. And here you see something called passive sentences. Check this box. Okay. And once I give OK here, it detects your passive voice. It's right here. Right click on the blue underlined text and it says passive voice, consider revising. There you go. So this is how you activate it. So it's as simple as that. End of the video. Please subscribe if you want to get to know similar tricks in Word, shortcuts in Word, out of box troubleshooting in Word. Okay, see you later. Bye bye.